Let us take a quick look at the Bach flower remedy, cherry plum. Mechtel Schaefer calls cherry plum the openness flower, moving one from overload to relaxation. It has the key words fear of losing control. And the range is from even simple things like doing things you don't want to do, for instance, going off a diet, to screaming fits. Its focus is on giving way, on the transformation of fear and spirit connection. Negative qualities are intense inattention and fear of losing control. Positive qualities are courage, a reservoir of strength, and being able to relax. This too is one of the remedies in Rescue Remedy and is indicated whenever control is an issue. Fear of losing self-control and doing some injury either to oneself or to others. A good example of a cherry plum state is a child in a tantrum. They're reacting loudly, but underneath it all, they're terrified of how they feel. And really all they want is to be picked up and soothed back to reason. Cherry plum can be the remedy of choice anytime control or the loss of control is an issue, which is why it is often used for people who have problems, or children usually have problems with bedwetting. The positive quality of the remedy is one of a rational mind, safe in the knowledge that the terrible fear is controllable. When it comes to fear, the differences between rock rose and cherry plum is that rock rose is for extreme states of fear, like facing an oncoming car or meeting a large bear on a walk, something from the outside, while in cherry plum, the fear is in one's subconscious. The conflict is kept inside as much as possible. They have a fear of losing control.